So yeah, first problem with the roof rack. When we have a pop-up storm and you have to change the fucking top. So yeah, top's up now and rack's there. That's always fun to wake up to. She's a little wet inside. Alright, so that was an interesting little incident this morning. As you see in the quick little video, I woke up to the sound of the rain hitting the skylights and the roof in the house. And that woke me up real quick, because I realized I had the top down and the roof rack still on this thing. You see the top is now up, but so we had to do a quick little cargo box roof rack removal so we get the top up. But in other news, driving to work, we just made it 2,000 plus miles in this car without incident. But driving to work this morning, not going to really focus on it, but that guy right there, that's the check engine light. So we make it all the way back home to Iowa. And an 8-mile drive to work, 5-mile drive to work. It's actually 4-mile drive to work. Check engine light comes on. We brake her once we get here. Let's deal with that. So here is the aftermath of my little water incident. As you can see, totally junk now. So my suggestion is, if you do let your Boxster get a little rain on it, don't park it out in the sun thinking it'll dry it out, because all it did was cause some major shrinkage. And I know we can't feel through the camera, but this stuff is hard as a rock. You can see it must have had 2 panels replaced at one point in time. I'll kind of walk over to the other side here real quick. So this and this bottom seat must have been replaced at one point in time, because it is the only one that held up. That's still soft and supple-ish. This, hard. Split, that wasn't there, that wasn't there. It was a little rough around there, but not nearly that rough. This all shrunk up, and you can see this gap here. That's not supposed to be there. Go back around, and I'll flip the mic around here, see if you can hear this. But yeah, that wasn't there. This had a tiny little tear, about a 1/2 inch long. As you can see, it's a lot longer now. But yeah, we'll get up close here and see if you can hear the crunch. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. They're very nice seats. Yeah, love it. This guy, yeah, fits great. So there you have it. How to destroy your seats in a matter of minutes. It's kind of disappointing. I have new replacement leathers sitting upstairs for it now. Gonna change up the look a little bit, but either way, disappointing. I'm doing my best at turning what is a super cheap Boxster into something expensive. That seems to be what I'm good at. So yeah. One of these days we'll pop the new seats in. Well, not new seats, new seat upholstery. We'll pull that factory stuff that is now junk off. And I think we're gonna go to black with some tan stitching to kind of tie in the black up there a little more. Yeah, so there you have it. How to destroy things 101. Joe don't know. how not to get it wet. Rainstorm, keep the top up. Simple as that. This thing, pretty sweet until you're too tired to put it up, thinking you're going to get up in time before it rains. So you can swap it, pull the rack off and put it up. You don't always get up in time. Oh well.